Hello, Richard. Nice to see you today. Thanks for agreeing to take part in the series of roundtable chats with customers or Zoom chats as we have to do these days. I appreciate it. The idea is that we can talk to users of additive technology and people can learn from it. I know we've both learned a lot along the way, and I just think it's going to be interesting for people to see this stuff. Could you start, please, and just explain a little bit about who you are, what you do, and Clenaware's strengths in the market?
Okay, so as you know, I'm Richard. So as a business, we design and manufacture commercial warewashing equipment, so mainly glass washers for pubs, restaurants, pubs, that kind of thing, and then dishwashers, again, going to sort of similar establishments. And then we do some specialized products, for example, a goggle wash machine for washing 3D glasses, go into cinemas, so people like Legoland, for example, you can watch a 3D movie. We do a specialist machine for the NHS, thermal disinfectant machine that goes into specialist wards. And then we have products like the Air Glass Dryer for drying glasses. So our business is based around the design, manufacture, the full life cycle of warewashing equipment. So we go from design, manufacture, sales, service, and support for the equipment. So it's an end-to-end solution. We're typically aiming at the sort of in the top end of the market, so the premium end of the market. Our marketplace tends to have the sort of lower end, which are the cheaper imports, and they're sort of in the middle of the market. We tend to sit at the sort of more premium end of the market, so rather than in the mass market. So a little bit more specialised. It's about the quality of the inputs, obviously the quality of the pint of beer, if you like, or the cleanliness of the plate or the cup, etc. So that's what we do as a business.
Okay, so it's fair to say it's been an interesting period for your business over the last few months. It's nice to see you still smiling, Richard. Thank you. Could you tell me?
I think that's the